I'm always bullied every day. Why? Why do they always push me at lunchtime? Why do they always spread rumors about me? It's just my first year in middle school and I don't deserve it, but why do I deserve it?
How does one find one's purpose in life?
How do I get over the fear of speaking in front of people in my class?
The time for a hero is now.
I learned how to speak up for myself and motivate others and encourage them to do their best and to never give up.
TMoore is my go. I want him at my graduation.
Today I learned who TMoore was and why he does what he does. And he's so influential. He made me realize that you have to really want to work for your dream.
Show me your fear!
A new era of heroes.